Hello! Today we are going over the easy steps to install your Vosera gas fire pit table from the Outdoor GreatRoom Company. To complete installation, you will need the following tools: a utility knife or pair of scissors, a pair of gloves, one AAA battery, and 2 people to help with the installation. To protect your hands from rough edges, first put on a pair of gloves. Remove all components from the packaging, and then, with the help of one other person, move the fire pit to the desired location on solid, level ground. When locating your fire table, refer to the Crystal Fire Plus burner manual to ensure you're maintaining clearances to combustibles. Next, scatter the included fire glass media on the burner surface, forming an even layer of beads. Lift off the access door of the base and set it aside. Next, unscrew the sparker cap and insert the AAA battery, which is not included, with the positive end oriented outward. Secure the sparker cap back into place. With the propane tank valve in the off position, connect the regulator hose to your 20-pound propane tank. Hand tighten this connection. Do not use tools. Set the tank in the tray and ensure it is fully seated in the tray. To light the Vosera, depress the sparker button and then turn the knob counterclockwise 1/4 turn and fully depress the knob. When the flame lights, continue to hold the knob for 3 to 5 seconds. Then release the knob and the flame should stay. Turn the knob counterclockwise again to adjust the flame to your desired setting. Replace the access door. And now you're all set to enjoy the mesmerizing flames and the warm comfort of the Vosera Fire Pit collection.